or
Today in this video we will see how to download Anaconda Navigator on Windows 10. We are using Anaconda Navigator to learn Python programming using Jupyter Notebook. Anaconda Navigator is an IDE prominently used for machine learning projects. The minimum requirement of RAM for Anaconda Navigator to run smoothly is 8 GB or 16 GB is recommended. If you don't have a system with 8 GB of RAM, then I will tell you the trick at the end of this video. So stay tuned. You can directly download Jupyter Notebook, but you have to execute command line to launch Jupyter Notebook every single time. Anaconda Navigator provides us with a great graphical user interface which will launch Jupyter Notebook for us. Using Anaconda Navigator, you can access Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, VS Code, Spider, PyCharm, and RStudio. So without wasting time, let's move towards the topic. We will download Anaconda Navigator. Let's move to the screen on my PC. To download to download Anaconda Navigator, just go to your favorite browser and type Anaconda Navigator. So it will direct you to the Anaconda official website, but you have to select this individual edition tab. It will redirect you to the page and just scroll down here to the bottom of this page. Okay, till here we go. Here you can see all the related options to download Anaconda Navigator. I am here on Windows 10, so and my system is 64-bit, so I will hit this download button so that the 64-bit Anaconda Navigator setup will be downloaded on my system. If you are on Mac OS or Linux, according to your operating system, just hit the link and the download will get started. Hit the link and the download will get started. Okay. So when your download gets completed, just run the installer by double clicking on it. Just click next. Read this license agreement if you have interested in it. Otherwise, just click I agree. Select your just me. Click next. And here your Anaconda Navigator will be installed in your system. If you want to change the folder, you can browse here. Otherwise, it will be installed in your C drive, and I will suggest that just keep it as it is. Don't do anything with that. It will be installed properly. So just hit the next button. So I have already installed the Anaconda Navigator on my system, so I will not hit the next button. Just click on next and the Anaconda Navigator will be installed in your system. Your installation get completed. Just go to the search box and search for Anaconda Navigator. It will appear here. So just click here on the open option. It will take some time, but you have to be patient. So here we go. The Anaconda Navigator has been launched. Okay, this is now. It will be redirected to the Anaconda Navigator's first page. So you can see here there are many options like Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, PowerFill, Orange 3, Clovis, Spider. We are interested in Jupyter Notebooks, so I will just hit the launch button and Jupyter Notebook will be launched. So here we go. The Jupyter Notebook has been launched successfully. So we will use this interface to learn Python programs. Okay, so here comes the trick. If you don't have a PC with 8 GB of RAM, then just go to your favorite browser and just type Google Colab. Okay, Google Colab is basically an interface like your Jupyter Notebook, where you can run your Python programs as good as your Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so just cancel this and here we go. Here we can create a new notebook. It will take some time. So here we go. You can see the interface is like somewhat like Jupyter Notebook. Thank you for watching this video. We will see you in the next video. Bye.